quick one this time. Let's see how to make a dot. So I'll be doing a 1-inch white dot and 4 inches long. So I'm going to mark 1 inch on my fabric, 1 inch, and then I'll mark the middle 1/2 inch. Now place your ruler on the middle, the 1/2 inch, and rule it down to 4 inches. Now join from the 4 inches down to our 1 inch. So this is going to be the dot. Take the pin and pin from here to this part. And pin the bottom, the 4 inches. Now this is what we're going to sew on this line down to the 4 inches. Hold my thread and sew. Back stitch. And sew it on the line down. Remove the pin. Sew, back stitch. This is what it looks like on the inside, how it looks like outside. You know, we use darts in the parts of the clothes that's curved. The human body is in flats, so we use darts to bring out the curves. Could be a bust dart, could be a waist dart. So when we start sewing and making patterns, we'll be tracing our darts from our pattern papers down to the fabric before sewing. I hope you understood this tutorial. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!